Hello everyone, welcome to Jubilant Shades. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the tools which a beginner artist is required. If you are an absolute beginner, you will need only three things: paper, pencil and an eraser. But as you grow in the beginning only, you will need more tools for the detailing work. And in this video, we are going to talk about those tools. So let's get started. First of all, let me talk about the sketching media. An A4 printing paper we generally use are very thin and paper gets spoiled easily. So we need some sketching pads or sketching books or sketching sheets. The paper in these sketching books are quite heavy. As you can see here, I have an A4 sheet, A4 size sketching book with 130 GSM here, and this is 240 GSM. GSM stands for gram per square meter. As the GSM increases, the weight and thickness of the paper also increases. Therefore, the quality also improves. This sketchbook I bought from the local stationery shop, and the Bristol sketchbook I brought from Amazon. I also have this A3 size sketchbook from a local shop only. Next, I want to talk about the sketching medium. First one is the pencils. The graphite pencil, the charcoal one and the mechanical pencils. Graphite pencils comes in two different grades, H and B. H stands for hardness and B stands for blackness. As the number increases with H, the hardness of pencil also increases. As here I have this H pencil, I have the 2H pencil. So the number with H increases, the hardness of the pencil also increases, and the color of the pencil also becomes lighter. And in black pencil also, the here is 2B and here is the 4B pencil, and same as in blackness B also, the number increases, the blackness of pencil also increases, and thus the softness also increases. And here I have the charcoal pencils. Charcoal pencils comes in three different grades: soft, medium, hard. These are more black than the graphite pencils and used where the absolute darkness is required. And generally we use soft charcoal pencils, so I have soft pencils only. And the mechanical pencils. Mechanical pencils comes with the pencil lead of different grade like HB, 2B, 4B, etc. and different sizes like 0.3, 0.5, 0.7. Mechanical pencils are used where more detailing is required. And also the next basic tools are the smudging tools, or we can say blending tools. In general, people use their finger to blend their sketches, but we should not use our finger, because the sweat and oil present in our finger may spoil our sketch. We should always use these smudging tools like the paper stumps. Paper stumps are basically tiny rods of compactly rolled paper. These can be used on smooth paper and for smaller areas. Like I have these different sizes. Next are the brushes. These can also be used as blending tools. Brushes can be used for larger areas and for rough paper. We can also use earbuds, and cotton balls are also can be used. Earbuds can be used for smaller areas and cotton balls can be used for large areas. And here I have the tissue paper, which can be used for larger areas. We just need to make a ball out of it and just smudging like this. Our next and very important tools are eraser. In general, erasers are to be used for erasing the mistakes, but erasers are more than that. We can also create some highlights in our sketch. This is the general purpose eraser, and this one is the wooden eraser, just like a pencil. It can be used for highlighting in a stroke, and it can be sharpened just like a pencil. And here I have the mechanical eraser. It is just like a mechanical pencil. It can be refilled. This is a refill of eraser, and it comes in different cross sections, circular, rectangular. I have a rectangular one, and a kneaded eraser. Kneaded eraser can be molded just like a clay. It can be mold it in any shape, and these are basically used for creating highlights. And last but not the least, sharpeners are also very important tools. So these are the tools which a beginner should have so that they can create some beautiful work. So yeah, if you find this video a little bit helpful, then please like the video and do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also comment below if you need such type of videos. I will definitely try to come with the same. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.